I've been trading on Polymarket for a while now, and the deeper I go, the more one thing becomes obvious. The tools you use decide whether you make money or get destroyed by people who are faster, better informed, and better equipped than you. And after spending weeks researching this, literally weeks, I'm not kidding, my team and I finally built what I think is the cleanest list on the internet. Just the tools that actually help you win on Polymarket. We divided everything into 4 big categories, so the entire ecosystem finally makes sense. Core accounts, AI assistance, data and analytics, trading and execution tools. If you watch until the end, you'll have every tool you need to compete with the best Polymarket traders out there, whether you're doing politics, sports, crypto, or macro markets. Before we continue, of course, this is not financial advice. I'm just sharing what I personally use and what my team found useful. Also, we're trying to hit 10,000 subscribers this year, so if this video gives you even one helpful tool, just tap that subscribe button. It takes 1 second and it genuinely helps us continue making these deep research videos. Alright, let's start. Core accounts. These are the accounts you must follow. Without them, you're trading blind. First is Polymarket, the platform itself. Everything starts here. This is where your money actually goes, where you open positions and where markets are created. Anyone trading on Polymarket seriously needs to follow their main updates, check announcements, and understand how the platform operates. I always keep Polymarket open because markets move on information instantly, and having the official source helps me react faster. Next is Polymarket Trade. I use this one to track profitable traders. It's basically a leaderboard of the wallets that consistently win. You can see their historical performance, how often they're correct, and which markets they're entering right now. I never copy blindly, but I absolutely watch their big moves to understand where high conviction bets are flowing. For me, this tool is more about confirming direction than mirroring trades. Then we have Polymarket Intel. This is the real-time news fire hose. Polymarket moves on information faster than almost any market I've ever traded. And Intel helps you catch those headlines the second they drop. Whether it's politics, macro news, sports, or unexpected geopolitical updates, this feed helps me avoid surprises. If you sleep on information, you lose money. It's that simple. Now, I want to mention Polymarket Build. This one is underrated. It's where new tools and community built dashboards first appear. Whenever someone launches a new AI assistant, a new terminal, or a new analytics tracker, it's usually announced here. I keep it on my radar because early tools often give the biggest edge before everyone else discovers them. Let's move to the next category. AI assistance. If core accounts keep you informed, AI assistance helps you move faster than everyone else. Polytail is a research assistant powered by strong AI models. You tag it beneath any Polymarket market and it replies with a clean breakdown. Odds, movement, volume, whale action, and what news is affecting the market. I use it when I need a quick overview without digging through charts. It saves time, and when markets move fast, saving time is everything. Next is Polybro. Polybro builds full probability reports. You paste a market link and it generates a structured analysis with confidence scores, scenarios, and reasoning. It even lets you mirror its trades automatically. I don't use the automation, but I do use the reports. They're great when I want a more methodical breakdown before placing a bigger position. Now, let's talk about Polysimpler. This one solves a real problem. Polymarket's interface can be overwhelming. Polysimpler gives you a cleaner UI, trending markets, and an AI chat that answers questions in plain language. Why did this market move? What should I look at next? It's beginner friendly but still useful for advanced traders who want a fast way to understand what's happening. And finally, in this category, TradeFox. TradeFox is basically a professional trading terminal for prediction markets. It offers limit orders, advanced filters, smart discovery tools, and cashback rewards for high-volume traders. I like it because it shows markets in a cleaner, more trader-style layout. If Polymarket feels like a betting site sometimes, TradeFox feels like Bloomberg for prediction markets. Alright, next category. Data and analytics. If AI gives you speed, analytics give you clarity. These tools help you understand market flow, whale behavior, and probability trends. Let's start with Polysites. Polysites is like having your own data analyst. It tracks volatility, trend shifts, news catalysts, and more than 30 custom indicators. It uses AI to summarize important changes so you don't get lost in charts. I especially like its alerts. They highlight unusual activity and help me avoid revenge trades or emotional decisions. Next is Hashdive. Hashdive is for people who like structure. It gives traders smart scores, ranks wallets by performance, consistency, and shows which market whales are entering. The market screener is great too. You can filter by liquidity, volume, or whale movement. If you like trading based on high conviction behavior instead of gut feelings, Hashdive is the tool for that. Now let's move to Predictfolio. Predictfolio tracks every wallet's P&L, win rate, position size, and total volume. It's the easiest way to compare yourself with top traders or check whether a wallet you're watching is even profitable. I use Predictfolio to study long-term patterns, who wins often, who wins big, and who blows up. It's a great reality check. Next we have LayerHub. LayerHub is all about whales. It tracks large wallets, highlights big bets, and shows real-time changes in high-value positions. When a whale suddenly drops 50k into a market, LayerHub tells you, I consider it a momentum detector. Big moves usually begin with smart money, not retail. And finally, Pentagon Pizza Watch. This one is funny, but somehow, sometimes, it works. Pentagon Pizza Watch tracks large pizza orders going into the Pentagon, which historically happened during periods of unexpected military activity. I don't rely on it, but I absolutely check it on sensitive geopolitical markets. It's a quirky indicator, yet it has a weird track record of timing certain events. Now, let's move to our final category, trading and execution. These tools helps you actually execute trades faster, hedge better, or react instantly when markets move. Let's start with Ostium. Ostium lets you trade macro assets on-chain, stocks, currencies, commodities, all with leverage and no KYC. I use it when I want to hedge a Polymarket position with a macro position. For example, if a political market could move the dollar index or oil, Ostium helps me balance the exposure. It's also useful when I want a conviction trade outside Polymarket, but still inside crypto rails. Next is FlipperBot. FlipperBot gives you leveraged exposure inside Polymarket itself. It's aggressive, it moves fast, and liquidations can hit hard. But it allows small capital to express big conviction. I only use it during very clear catalysts or late stage markets where probabilities stabilize. If you want high risk, high reward trading, this one gives you the tools. And the last tool for today, Banker. Banker is a Telegram bot that lets you trade Polymarket directly inside Telegram. For me, this is clutch during breaking news moments. I don't have to load a website or reopen tabs. I can place trades immediately from my phone. You can also create watch lists and follow selected trader wallets. If speed matters to you, Banker is a must-have. These are the tools my team and I use every day. If you master even half of them, you will already be ahead of most Polymarket traders. These tools will just simply help you avoid mistakes. Together, they give you an edge. If you want me to create a part 2 or a best tools for beginners video, let me know in the comments. And again, help us get to 10,000 subscribers this year. It's one click for you and it means a lot to us. Have a great day wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you in the next one.